Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoPulse. The SUV market is heating up like never before, and the years 2025 and 2026 are set to bring some of the most exciting new models we've ever seen. From electric crossovers to rugged off-road beasts, automakers are pushing the limits of design, technology, and performance. Whether you're looking for luxury, efficiency, or adventure, the upcoming lineup of SUVs has something for everyone. Today, let's take a deep dive into the new SUVs that will be hitting the roads in 2025 and 2026. Let's start with one of the most anticipated names in the industry, Tesla. After years of speculation, Tesla is finally ready to release updates to its long-rumored Model 2 crossover and the refreshed Model Y. The new Model Y, arriving in late 2025, is expected to feature an upgraded battery pack, offering over 400 miles of range, and a redesigned interior with even more minimalistic styling. The smaller and more affordable Model 2 crossover is rumored to make its debut in 2026, aiming to bring electric SUVs to a wider audience with a starting price that competes directly with gas-powered rivals. Ford is also gearing up to make waves. The all-new Ford Explorer EV is coming in 2025, built on the brand's next-generation electric platform. With advanced driver assistance systems, a futuristic cabin, and up to 350 miles of range, the Explorer EV is positioned as a family-friendly SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. Ford is also updating its popular Bronco lineup with a hybrid model expected in 2026, combining rugged off-road capability with improved fuel economy. Speaking of ruggedness, Jeep is stepping up its game. In 2025, Jeep is launching the Recon, a fully electric SUV designed to be the brand's first zero-emission off-roader. Inspired by the iconic Wrangler, the Recon will feature removable doors, advanced 4x4 systems, and plenty of trail-ready features. Jeep is also preparing a luxurious three-row electric SUV, the WagoneerS, expected in 2025, which promises over 600 horsepower and lightning-fast acceleration. General Motors isn't sitting quietly either. Chevrolet is bringing the all-new Equinox EV and Blazer EV in 2025, offering stylish and affordable electric SUV options for mainstream buyers. Meanwhile, Cadillac is expanding its EV lineup with the Escalade IQ, a bold electric version of its flagship luxury SUV, set for 2025. With futuristic styling, a tech-packed cabin, and impressive range figures, the Escalade IQ is aimed at redefining luxury in the electric era. Over at Toyota, big things are coming. The company has confirmed its BZ series of electric SUVs will continue to grow, with a midsize three-row SUV launching in 2025. Toyota is also planning hybrid updates to its fan favorites, including the RAV4 and Highlander, ensuring drivers get the best of both worlds with efficiency and versatility. By 2026, Toyota is expected to introduce solid-state battery technology, potentially giving its SUVs a huge leap in driving range and charging times. Hyundai and Kia, known for pushing bold design and tech, are also ready to impress. Hyundai will release the Ioniq 7 in 2025, a large all-electric SUV with a lounge-like interior, advanced AI-powered driving aids, and up to 300 miles of range. Kia will counter with the EV9, a stylish and futuristic three-row SUV designed for families who want both space and cutting-edge technology. By 2026, both brands are expected to roll out even more affordable compact EV SUVs, helping accelerate the shift away from gas-powered vehicles. Luxury automakers are also preparing to shine. Mercedes-Benz will continue expanding its EQ lineup, with the EQG, an electric version of the legendary G-Class, arriving in 2025. Built to tackle the toughest terrains while offering pure electric power, the EQG blends tradition with innovation. BMW is also joining the mix with its upcoming 9/7, a large electric SUV rumored to arrive in 2026, combining premium luxury with long-range EV performance. Audi will deliver its Q6 e-tron in 2025, a midsize luxury electric SUV that promises sharp design, advanced tech, and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system. Don't count out the Japanese luxury players either. Lexus is preparing to launch its first dedicated three-row electric SUV, the LFCL, in 2026, which will bring futuristic design and cutting-edge technology to its loyal base of luxury buyers. Infiniti is also planning its comeback with the Vision QX, an electric SUV set for 2025 that could revive the brand's relevance in the competitive luxury market. Even smaller brands and startups are contributing to the SUV boom. Rivian is planning updates to its popular R1S in 2025, with improved battery options and expanded off-road capabilities. Lucid Motors is also expected to introduce its first SUV, the Gravity, in 2025, aiming to combine luxury and performance in a way few brands can match. With up to 3 rows of seating and ultra-fast charging, the Lucid Gravity could be a serious contender in the premium EV space. The SUV market in 2025 and 2026 will be shaped by 3 big themes: electrification, advanced technology, and versatility. Automakers are no longer treating electric SUVs as niche products. Instead, they are offering everything from affordable compact models to high-performance luxury machines. Driver assistance systems, AI integration, and over-the-air updates are becoming the new standard. At the same time, ruggedness and adventure remain strong selling points, with brands like Jeep, Rivian, and Mercedes ensuring that capability is not sacrificed for sustainability. For buyers, this means more choice than ever before. Whether you want a stylish city cruiser, a capable off-road machine, or a luxurious family hauler, the 2025 and 2026 SUV lineup has it all.